Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting each element closely. Note stains, tears, and weak seams so you know what to fix first. Once done, lay the costume flat on a clean surface. Use 2 cloth weights to prevent shifting and protect delicate wraps with archival tissue. Make sure to disable batteries and remove electronics before any cleaning. You will want pH-neutral cleaner and the sewing kit ready. This avoids bleeding colors and preserves printed patterns. These first steps minimize damage and set you up to work efficiently. You now handle the tougher repairs that keep the look anime accurate. For stains, spot clean by blotting with a damp cloth and pH-neutral cleaner. This prevents color lift. Next, reinforce seams using clear nylon thread. Take small, even stitches so they remain invisible on camera. If props or foam are collapsing, stabilize them with adhesive patches and internal supports, such as craft foam inserts or lightweight dowels. Make sure to test fit after each repair, because small changes alter the drape and silhouette. You finish by shaping and protecting the costume so it lasts. Lightly steam from a safe distance to set folds and smooth wrinkles. Do not press directly onto printed areas. Once shaped, store flat or on a padded hanger, adding silica packets to control moisture and prevent mildew. If you notice color runs or a prop collapse, stop immediately, air dry the area and avoid further cleaning, then seek a professional textile or prop conservator. This step preserves appearance and prevents irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.